Family Fun Day at the fair. Hello Studio Squad, for everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. In this video you will see what I did on my day off with my family. I took my family to the fair. We rode on some carnival rides. I forgot that my cell phone was inside of my pocket when I got on this ride. You already know that it fell, it hit the ground, but it was okay. My daughter and I got on the carnival swings together. This ride gave the best views of the carnival lights at night. It doesn't pick up well on my cell phone, and of course I'm not going to use my professional camera on an amusement ride, but it was absolutely gorgeous in person. This is the first time that my family witnessed a rodeo.
It's going to be the Cowboy. 823 is the brand on this one. Blazing Sevens is the bull. Come on, Aiden. Oh. Well, I got to give him a 0 on the ride. So your winner in the breakaway room is going to go to Pennsylvania. Take the win. Let's go. Come on, Macy. Right around the head of that calf. You know what to do when Rice is town, cowgirl. Let's go to Boyd's, Maryland. Well, she's going to take the lead with a 2.64 on the run. 264. You know what to do. Come on, pay off Boys, Maryland. So if we go down to the next calendar, we get this camp in. We got a Boys, Maryland, Macy Foster. It's going to be the next camp girl. We're having breakaway river plus a calf scramble.
We ate appetizers like the blooming onion, funnel cake, and then we went home.